Hey everybody, today we're going to learn how to use milk paint on this dresser. See, the thing that everyone needs to know to be a good painter is practice makes perfect. And today we're going to practice. What do you think of that? On this piece right here. I got this piece at a Goodwill. There's no goodwill being had there anymore, but when they rate you for pieces of junk like this for about 40 bucks, you're getting it in the pooper. We'll teach them though. We'll use the milk paint, fix her up, turn her around, and take someone else's money in the pooper. I started off by painting this with English yellow, first coat, with chalk paint. You can't see that, but we'll sand her off and get little shades of yellow. The second coat, I used some Turd Ferguson. Sorry, Provence, not Turd Ferguson. Third coat, I used the milk paint. As seen here. Now this particular milk paint calls for you to use equal parts water and milk. I don't know why they call it milk paint, but it comes in a bag. And it looks like a pricey batch of cocaine. You get a little scooper. You take that scooper out. You take the cocaine, milk paint, and put it right in there. Equal parts water. You mix. I use a little don't tell the missus. You gotta clean it up though. I just tell her it's syrup. You mix this for about 2 minutes. You let it stand for 20 minutes. It's ready to go. The cool thing about the chalk paint mixed with the milk paint, what I've discovered is, it leaves that textured look you're looking for, the chippy look, that old rustic little flakes of, like a rust. It looks like it's about to come off the wall. Why do people like that and enjoy that? I don't know. However, we like to look at stupid stuff that looks old, brings value to it for whatever reason. And this milk paint, I find, using 2 layers of the chalk paint, then the milk paint. Then I use the wax. We'll get into that later. So, here we go. It's up to your discretion here, everybody. You can use a thin layer, okay? And there's air bubbles in the milk paint that, I don't know if you can see that. You probably can't because I can't film for shit. It kind of leaves a frothy look, like when you're at the beach and the seawater kind of at the top when it crashes in. It kind of leaves that like frothy, foamy stuff. It's full of air. So my suggestion is you dab it. Paper towel, you can use a paper towel and dab a lot of it. If not, and you're going for a real thin layer, you won't achieve that in the first stroke. For example, without brushing it, look how thick that layer is. Let me take some of it off. I'm going to use my hand just because I don't have a paper towel. Okay, and now the second one. It's a lot thinner. You see that stroke there. So what I'm going to do is add a thin layer, and you can go wherever you want. Okay? This is going to be on top of that.